Want to remove something from your video in CapCut PC? Maybe it's a phone, a logo, or just something distracting in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or hide unwanted objects in your video using CapCut on PC. Let's say we want to remove something like a phone from the shot. First, make sure your clip is in the timeline. Now right-click the clip and select Copy, then right-click again and choose Paste. This will create a duplicate layer of the video. Drag the duplicated clip to a new track above the original. This becomes your overlay. With the overlay selected, go to the Mask section. Choose a shape that works best. I'll use the rectangle for this example. Now, position and resize the mask to cover the object you want to hide. You can even rotate it slightly or fine-tune the shape to make it look as natural as possible. Next, use another clean part of the video to fill in the area you're masking. Adjust the placement so it blends in smoothly with the background. And just like that, the object is gone. If this helped, give the video a like. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.